Krishna, all these are gifts. There's no choice. You don't choose bhakti. Oh, I want to become a devotee. No way. I got this book and I read it and I decided I'm going to be a devotee. Oh, how did you come to Krishna consciousness? Oh, I did this and I did that and I did this. Zilch. Nothing. You did nothing. You're in Maya. Somehow Krishna just said, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, boing. Who is this? Oh, this is a real tall girl from Russia or whatever, Lithuania or Estonia or something. Oh, she's cool. Okay, you. I have so many short ones. Let me get this tall one. And you go. And then there's Upadan Karan and the Naimittik Karan. Naimittik Karan means the immediate cause. And Upadan means the Bhagavan, basically, the cause of the cause. So, how did I come to Krishna? I was in college and I wasn't so satisfied with my studies, and I met a devotee. He gave a class on campus, and I bought a Bhagavad Gita. I read it, and it made sense to me. Then I decided I surrendered. No. Who gave you the book? Who sent the devotee to you? Everything, every step of the way is kripa.